Hi, and welcome back to the Body Fix Fitness channel. And today we're doing another 4 for More series workout for while we're quarantined at home. So we're gonna do a Tabata style today. So let's get to it. Today's 4 for More workout is going to be a little bit different than we have been doing the last couple of weeks. So we're going to change it up so that we can just confuse our bodies and have a little fun. So we're going to do a Tabata style workout. We're still only doing 4 exercises, but we're going to do 2 Tabatas. So we're going to do the first Tabata with 2 exercises and then do another Tabata with 2 exercises. So in a Tabata, if you don't know, you're gonna work 20 seconds as hard as you can. It's only 20 seconds. 20 seconds as hard as you can, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat that 8 times. And then after that one, I'll show you the other 2 exercises. That'll give you your little break in there, but when you're doing it on your own, take a 60-second, 1-minute break in between the 2 Tabatas. So you can keep your heart rate up and bring it back down, up and down. That's what we want to do, okay? So, on the first Tabata, first let me show you, you need a Tabata timer because we're going so fast in this that you don't have time to really, look at the clock and worry about the time. So you want a Tabata, can't talk. So you want a Tabata timer, and I just got one on my phone, just an app. I'll show it to you. I'll show you what the icon looks like. It's called Tabata timer. This is an iPhone, and it looks like this. Whoops. It's this blue one right here. I don't know if you can see it. That's what I'm going to be using. And when I open it up, it's going to show you here. Okay? You're going to hit start. It's going to count down. Give you a warning. And then there you go. There's your 20 seconds. It'll give you a little warning, and then you'll have your 10 seconds. So that's the one I'm going to use. If you want to try that one out, it was free. I don't know about on other phones, but on the iPhone, that's what I got. You can just search and find one. So the first 2 exercises. Whoop. Okay, the first 2 exercises is going to be, we're going to do a static squat with a cross punch. So you're going to be in a squat position. You're going to stay as low as you can in that squat position. So feet a little wider than your hips. Come down into that squat. Bring that pelvis under to keep your abs super tight to protect your lower back. Now, you want to sit in this position. Shoulders are back and down. You're going to have your fists up, and we're going to twist through our torso, bringing your shoulders to each side. So you're going to twist, punch, punch, punch. Okay? You twist through those torsos while you're keeping in that squat. Okay? That's the first one. Second one is a push-up. You can do this on the floor. Just a traditional push-up. Hands a little wider than your shoulders. Keep your body flat. Down and up. If you need to, get on your knees, but keep those hips down and up. Or if you have an elevated surface, like I have right here on this bar, you can do it this way. Come all the way down and up. Whatever your level is that what you want to do, okay? No harm in that. So you're gonna start with the static squat, cross punch, and then we're gonna go straight into that push-up. All right, you ready? Let me get my timer. I'm gonna turn it on, and you're gonna hear it go off. You got 10 seconds to prepare. 3 seconds to go. Okay, you ready? Squat, punch, punch, punch. Keep punching all the way through that 20 seconds. Twist through that torso, make those abs work. 3 seconds to go. All right, you got a 10-second break to catch your breath. Next is push-ups. 2, 1. I'm going to do it elevated. Push down, up, up. Keep that body super flat. Abs are tight, shoulders are back and down. Keep going. Finish up that 20 seconds. Work as hard as you can. It's only 20 seconds. Great. You got a 10-second break. Then you're going to repeat that 7 more rounds. Okay. For our second one. Now for our second Tabata, what you're going to do is we're going to get a little cardio going. Okay. So you're going to start with a burpee to a frog jump. Then we're going to go into butt kicks. So let me show you. So a burpee to a frog jump. I'm gonna get over here, a little bit farther away. So you're gonna get with your feet a little wider than your hips. We're gonna do this burpee. So we're gonna come down, hands on the floor, jump your feet back, jump them back up. Now when you get in this position, I want you to do a frog jump. So you're gonna push your hips forward, jump, turn around, down, and jump. Now if you're outside and you have your yard, you can just go all the way down. You don't have to go back and forth. Whatever space you have. Okay, if you need a modified version, what you'll do, instead of jumping back from here, step back, step up, and then jump. Okay? So the second one is butt kicks. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see me better. So basically, you're kicking yourself in the butt. That's all we're gonna do. So you're gonna be here, and you're just gonna kick your feet up, just like a running position, and go fast pace. Okay? You ready? Let's get the timer started again, and I'll do that first round with you. All right, we got 10 seconds to prepare for that burpee. Here we go. Down, back, down, and jump. Down, back, and jump. Burpee, jump. Burpee, and jump. Awesome. Now, butt kicks. And by the way, it's cold out here in this. You're getting a little sneak peek of my barn gym. You ready? Butt kicks. We'll get a little closer. Kick yourself in the butt. Literally. Oh yeah, it's cold in here right now. 10 seconds. It's like in the 40s. I'm in a barn. Awesome. 10 seconds and then 7 more rounds. But I'm in a barn, so you're getting a little sneak peek.
Could you try?
You're getting a little sneak peek of my barn gym renovation. You'll have to watch my YouTube series on that one. It's coming like super soon. But anyway, great job. Finish up all your rounds. Make sure you get 8 rounds of the first Tabata, 60-second rest, 8 rounds of the second Tabata. And you'll have an awesome workout, okay? So tag me in your Instagram doing this workout. I want to see it. And you can do a hashtag BFF4for more. So I hope you enjoyed today's workout, and I will see you on Thursday. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today for this 4 for more workout while we are quarantined at home. I hope this is helping you out. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this style workout. It's a little bit different than our other ones that we have done. What your favorite exercise is, and if you need a little more assistance and a little more information on the form of how to perform the exercise, I have tutorials on the YouTube channel, and you can just search for it and find that. I also will put a link up above. I'll put a link down into the description so that you can get to those, so you can do the proper form, because we really want to do proper form. We don't want to hurt ourselves. So I hope you had fun. Let me know, and I will see you on Thursday.